Well, today we have this device we are going to use a totally different method to be able to recover our device What are we going to do? We are going to give it a tour so that you can see that our phone is totally blocked since it has a screen lock. Also, with the forgotten Gmail account in this video tutorial, we are not going to use the PC. We are going to use a method totally without PC to be able to recover our phone. In the previous video we also have a previous video. We will leave it in the description of the video that we used a totally different method to be able to recover our device. We are going to click here on next. We are going to connect to those Wi-Fi networks. We are going to connect to the network. We are going to click here on skip. Let's connect. Ready. Let's click next. Click here. Let's wait for it to take us to the latest settings. Let's read where the screen lock is, also what the Google account is, the Gmail account where we will be able to recover. This process is very easy. Very simple. We also have the member community so that you can subscribe for those people who always watch our video tutorials and are always supporting us so that they can join. What would be the benefit of that member community? We will be publishing advanced videos in that community. We will publish the most anticipated videos in the community of members so that they can find out before we publish it on YouTube. We are going to use days before they are published on YouTube. We are going to publish it in that community so you will be able to find out as soon as possible. As we had said, we have a method by PC, a method without PC. We are going to leave this, all of those methods we are going to leave it in the description of the video and in the first fixed comment. Method by PC, method without PC. We are going to wait until where the Google account takes us. Here we are going to click where it says do not copy. We select where it says do not copy here. It would take us first of all to the screen lock. Being here in the screen lock, we are going to select option. We are going to select account here. We are going to select account, and as we can see here we have our account blocked. Well, let's see what it is back. We click forward. We are going to hit it again. We are going to get here. We go back again to see back here where we are going to get. We are going to go down. We are going to go down and we are going to select these blue letters that say policy and privacy. It would take us directly to what is Google Chrome. We give you to use without a Google account. No thanks. Here this method we are going to use another different method. Another different method than the previous one. We are going to write our official page that is written as it appears here on the screen. David Cell, our page is written, and you are going to find the official Android DTV Davy Cell page. Either of the two options will be here. You are going to click on it, then this page will load. You are going to click here. You are going to go to the last options. Here you are going to be able to find this entry that appears here. Here appear apps, device, Visel applications. This is where we are going to be able to enter this video tutorial. We are going to click on that page here. It would take us to this entry where you are going to be able to find other totally different methods. Method different. The model you will be able to find here is the internet is a little heavy. Wait for it to load. As we had said, you will find method of any device. If you have another device or of the same model, if you want a method, you will be able to find it. What are we going to do? As you know previously, we entered through this option called PAL Store from here, and this option is no longer working for us. It is no longer working, so what we are going To do is the following. We are going to click on these three dots from here. We go to the last option. We select this option that says Help and we select Help. Here it would take us to this section. Being here in this section, we are going to click on this magnifying glass. Here we are going to write Apps and we are going to select this option that says Delete or Disable. Here to delete applications we are going to click. Here they are going to load all these options. We are going to eliminate this option that is in blacker than the others stand out that says Delete. This application or delete, we are going to click on it, then it will send you to this section. Here you will be able to find here these blue letters that say 1. Blue letters, you are going to select that one, then that you already select it. After you select it, it will send you here. Once you are here, clicking here, what you are going to do the following. You are going to click here on the little nut in Settings. You are going to open Settings. After you open Settings, you are going to click here on Special Functions. To enable Google Play Services. To enable Google Play Services. You are sure that yes, it is already enabled. We go back. Back and back. Back now we're going to search. We're going to search for an application for this phone called Palm Store. This is it, look at it carefully, we're going to click on it, we're going to click on it now where it says Open. We're going to click on Open here. Being here we go. Being here we're going to click on Add, we click on Jump here and now. Here being here we're going to download this application that says it's called Activity. Activity here is Activity Launcher. That is the application that we're going to download. We click on Download when it's completely downloaded. When it's completely downloaded, we're going to open the application. We open that application. As that application is not working from there but from here it will work. Here the method yes or yes, it will work for you. Now we're going to search. We're going to search for this Android settings. We're going to search for Android settings. We select Android settings. Here all these options will appear. As we can see here, there are two options that don't have the little nut. That is the option that we're going to select. The first one that doesn't have the little nut. Then we're going to click here where it says Activity Launcher. Here the first one. Where the icon is this, we're going to click. Here then it will take us to this section when already let's be here. In this section we're going to click here and we're going to click now here. On Skip we're going to wait. We're going to click here on Next here where it says No. Here we're going to click No, we don't have cable, copy without cable. We click Next, we click Next. We click here on Next. We click Next. Here we click here it says use my Google account. We click Next, and we're going to leave it here. We're going to leave it here, now being here. Being here we're going to be here. We're going to use another phone. What we have to have a Google account. We have to have a Google account and a screen lock. Google account, screen lock. We have to have these two options. A lock that we can use in a Google account. Here we have that. Once we have all that, then what we're going to do now is go here to Settings. We go to Settings, we go here to Google. We select Google, we select this Google option. Here we're going to click where it says all the services, we select all the services. We're going to wait for it to load and we're going to go down further down. Further down here we're going to select the option that says configure a nearby device. We're going to select a nearby device. Now we click where it says start so that the two phones can be synchronized. They are going to synchronize, we're going to click here on next. It may not work the first time. If you don't click it, you do the process again, we click on copy. Here it will ask us what the screen lock is. We click on continue, we click on continue. Now the account that this phone has will be copied, it will be synchronized on this one, the one that is locked, so we will be able to recover our phone. We will wait here a few seconds until it completes what is the synchronization of our device, so we will be able to recover it. If you guide yourself step by step, as we are explaining in this video tutorial, you will be able to solve what is this recovery of account deletion from your device. As we had also told you previously, we have a method in the description of the video and in the first fixed comment, so that you can solve what is the recovery of your device. We are going to wait here, this sometimes takes a while, suddenly it can be because of the internet. We click here in this option. Or we are going to wait here until it syncs and takes us to the next options, or we can click here where it says do not copy. We click here it says do not copy. Now it would take us to this section where the Google account will appear to make the process faster. Now that we can see here it gives us the option of the Google account, the alternative account. Now we are going to click here on next. We click here on skip, we are going to click ready, we click here where it says no thanks, we click no, we say no. We wait until it takes us and then it returns us to home. When it returns us to home, then what we are going to do is restart our phone. It already returned us to home, now what we are going to do is restart our phone. We restart our phone and we are going to complete the account removal process. We are going to completely recover our phone. Now we are going to wait for it to completely restart. We are going to wait for it to restart for complete. We wait. We wait. We wait a few seconds, we wait. We wait a few seconds until they restart, that's why. It is always advisable to watch the video step by step so that you do not miss any of these details and you can solve what is the account deletion. We also have the member community session so that you do not miss any of our anticipated video. Well, here it is, point that restart. Since it has restarted, then this does not end here yet. This does not end yet, we are going to click next, we are going to click next, we click here on skip, we click here on skip. Next. Ready, now here it would take us directly directly to the account that we have already added, the one that has been synchronized. We are going to wait for that account to be shown to us. We are going to wait a few seconds. Now we click here where it says do not copy. We click where it says do not copy. We click here on next. As we can see, the account was already added, the account here was added. We click here on next. Now if it arrived, if you have reached this point, Well, there is an error sometimes it does not usually appear, and I am going to explain how to correct it. Sometimes when we already give it all this and that we arrive here, we say next, next, next. Times it returns us to home, it says, if that's your case. It returns home. What I recommend is to go back again to do it again. Because the second time it gives you yes, it gives you access times here. From here we go through the entire route, and from here it returns us to home. It happened to me with a phone that I had that I was also doing, and it returned me to home. But here, as we can see, it took me directly to the following options, since at the beginning of our phone it took us. But what yes times remain are some errors, and what we have to do to correct these errors. You can see that our phone, the screen is not working correctly. So to correct these errors, what we have to do is go to what is settings about the phone, and what we are going to do is reset our phone. We reset it when our phone is completely reset. But before resetting it, I recommend deleting the account. That was already added on the account, you have to delete it. When you delete it completely, if you can do the reset,